Bang! What is going on, guys? Sean Boyle, like always. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to break out in the real estate photography scene and make it. What's going on, guys? If you haven't yet, stop, go to our YouTube channel, click subscribe, and click that little bell too, so you get notifications whenever we post a new video. You will be the first person to know. Thank you so much for the support, and now the video you've been wanting to watch. What is going on, guys? So in this video, I am going to be teaching you how to get started with real estate photography. Now, if you're saying to yourself, Sean, I don't have the money to buy a camera, I don't have the money to take these training courses, what are some good, easy, potentially even free ways to go about getting into the business? So I have 3 ways for you that I honestly did in terms of shooting virtual tours, learning different specs and ops in terms of overall photography, talking about photos, videography, drone, all that stuff is very, very important. Guys, the first method I have is honestly getting a mentor. It's so important. So guys, if you don't have a mentor yet, I would suggest combing through your book of business, through your whole contact list and saying, hey, who do I know? Who's someone who I can kind of say, hey, you know, I'll buy you coffee, I'll take you out to lunch. And can you tell me a little bit about getting started on this? Because there has to be some decent ace photographer in your area that you probably already know of, and you probably, are hesitating a little bit to reach out to them. Reach out to them or her and say, listen, I'll buy you a $5 coffee, I'll buy you a $25 lunch, and you're going to tell me everything you know about real estate photography, right? That's going to be good for a couple of reasons. 1, because you're going to know the basics. 2, he's probably going to introduce you to people who can connect you with other people in the space. So having a mentor is great because it really is a thing of, checking off boxes. And what I mean by that is if you have a mentor, they're going to give you homework to do. They're not just going to say, like a good mentor, guys, really will say, hey, I'm going to give you some homework. Here's what you need to do. You need to contact this person. You need to do some research on this, blah, blah, blah. And if you have a great mentor, they will not only help you do that, but they're also, like I said, going to connect with people that are going to help you further along in that process, right? So number 1 is definitely going to be a mentor. I am very fortunate enough to have many mentors in real estate photography. So if you guys are saying, hey, Sean, how can I hop onto your list of mentors and, get some more information myself? Guys, honestly, just go to my website right here, click this little button, continue as, not Sean, but continue as a guest, to continue as yourself, and just hit me up. Let us help you guys out. If you guys want to also partner with us as well, we have this new partnership program that we just launched a couple months ago, which is great. So we can definitely help in this space as well. Like I said in the last video, we have over, I'd say, a dozen partnerships, right now. So definitely do that. And then guys, if you also want to go to my personal website, seanboyle.com, it kind of explains all about me, growing your brand, subscribing to my podcast, blah, 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 all this awesome stuff. But guys, you can also get through to me right here. Okay. So that's number 1. The second method that I would consider doing is going on Facebook groups and networking. So guys, this is something amazing because we live in 2021, soon to be 2022 in 5 months, which is crazy. It just turned July. But what I like to do is for about 20 minutes to half hour every single day is comb through my list of contacts and just network, just honestly network and see who I know, who I don't know, and go from there. So, and again, this is the beauty of living in the digital age. You can simply type in how to get started with photography, or even easier, you can say photography basics. Going to get you to a page, I believe. Yeah, photography basics. Right? So this is a website. What I was looking at is actually going into a group of people. So you can talk. So here you go. Digital photography basics for beginners and hobbyists. 7,000 people are in this group. So guys, and you can go through photography basics, tips and techniques, or there's 14,000. You can go through basic photography and there's 29,000. And you go to amateur and professional, there's 75,000. So guys, you get my point, is use the resources that you have. Go on Facebook or Instagram, go on this list, say, hey, my name's so-and-so, I'm new to photography. I don't know anything. I'm willing to meet if someone is in my local area, or hop on a phone call and either A, give some value for your information, or B, pay for that, or C, if you can kind of finesse a little bit and get information for free, do that. That's what I did. And it served me pretty well. So that's what I would do. Number 2, solid option. All right, guys, now the third method to getting started with real estate photography, it's another resource, and it's YouTube. Guys, YouTube is so important. It's so important. You can tell by my videos, you can tell by videos of other people, that YouTube is one of these places, guys, where first of all, it's free. Second of all, it's something that is very instant. So getting started with real estate, photography, you have so many videos. So many videos that are half hour, sometimes even an hour. They could probably go up to an hour if you want to change the settings up here, the filter. But guys, you have unlimited access to this. So take advantage of it. You have, what is this, an interview with how to get started with real estate? So guys, there's no excuse. Honestly, there's no excuse. If you want to get into real estate, if you want to get into photography, this is the way to go. And honestly, it's the way to go for everything. If you want to be a mechanic, if you want to be an engineer, if you want to be, I don't know, freaking magician, whatever you want to do, use the resources we have now. Go on Facebook groups, go and contact people that you know on your phone. Go to YouTube and again, use the contacts that you have. I have so many people that are just blind by this and they do not use this, and it irritates me because I talk to, I'd probably say thousands of people every single week, and they'll say, yeah, Sean, I don't know how to get started. It's at your fingertips. It really is. So there's no excuse anymore, right? I'm the type of person where if I meet you, I want to see the actions that you do. I don't care what you're talking about. I want to see the actions. I want to see, okay, what are you doing behind the scenes? Are you putting in the work? Are you not putting in the work? Because that's what matters at the end of the day. You can have this whole big, nice spiel, but until you take action and actually do research and learn, that's when you're going to notice solid results. All right. Awesome, guys. Well, little quick video for you before the holiday. And if you're watching this after the holiday, I hope you had a great 4th of July. And what can I say, guys? It's already July, which is crazy. My birthday's in 15 days. I'm going to be 24. So with that being said, enjoy the holiday, stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. God bless.